Hey, everybody. Glad to have you back. We are nearing the new year, the end of 2021 and the beginning of 2022. And this time of year, I always take time off. I hope you've been able to take some time off and not only plan for the future, but reflect on the past. So I've been taking some time to look at what went well in 2021, what did we accomplish, and what am I really grateful for over the past year, and using that to help with the goals of where we're going, where I want to get to. And on that topic, I was reading an article last night in Inc. magazine, and it was talking about Melissa, forget her last name, but Melissa of the Melissa and Doug Toy Company, very profitable, successful toy company. At the time of the writing was worth over $550 million. And she was talking about how over the years, she struggled with depression, and it got worse and worse as time went on. And the thing that kept creeping back into her mind and would really be a struggle for her, she quotes, is she heard almost like a heartbeat said over and over, "You aren't being true to yourself." And I wanted to, you know, in the end, we have to be true to ourselves. If we're not true to ourselves, it's like going against the current in a river. We can do it for a little while, but it's going to be unbelievably draining, and we will lose the battle. So we really need, in my mind, the way to make sure our business and the large focus of our work life is true to ourselves is to make sure we have a crystal clear life vision, right? Which is what I've been really trying to nail down lately. And with the life vision, I'm clearly writing down exactly what I want out of my life, what I want my physical life to be like, my spiritual life, what is important in my life, my family, what do I want my relationships to be like, what do I want my work schedule to be like, what do I want my work priorities to be. And once I nail down that crystal clear picture of what my life vision is, of what I want to create, then I can nail down the business vision and know that I am being true to myself, right? Everything in my business vision has to be working towards my life vision. And with the business vision, for me, that has not only helped me ensure that I am being true to myself and I am working on things I am gifted at and excited about, it has helped me be able to say no. So as as an entrepreneur, it's tempting to have that shiny object syndrome, and every new opportunity that pops up, we think, oh, that looks great, and we want to run to it, whether that's from a new opportunity from a business associate, or you go to a conference and hear a new idea, or you just talk to somebody and they're doing really well with another niche, right? We need to be able to say, here's my vision for my life, here's my vision for my business, and this shiny object does not fit that vision. And that gives us clarity, that gives us the ability to say no to things without feeling guilty or second guessing it. And it allows us to make sure we are being true to ourselves and focused on the things that will be fulfilling to us. So encourage you, make sure you really clarify what your life vision is, what your business vision is. And if you need help with that, that is part of the process in our Mastermind, Elevate Mastermind group. We're getting ready to launch the second group. Definitely reach out to me, chad@truewealthinvestors.com, or go to the website. You can find more information about the Mastermind and see if you would be qualified. Reach out to me. We're always looking for passionate people wanting to build their business bigger. So if you would be a good fit for the group, I would really love to talk to you. So reach out to me soon. Otherwise, I hope everybody has a truly blessed new year and starts the year off on fire. All right, it's going to be a great one. I'll talk to you soon.